Welcome back to the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to find hidden files on your phone. A lot of people have hidden files you don't even know about, and maybe you want to do away with it or you want to make use of it. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to find them. But before I do, please click on the subscribe button. It really helps a lot. So first thing you have to do, open up your files. That's my files. That's what is being called in your phone. Once you click on it, you're going to click on internal storage right here. So once you click on that, you can see these three dots right there on your screen. On the right side corner of your screen, click on it and click on settings. Once you click on settings, you can see this clearly here, the show system files. So you click on it so you can show the hidden files, and once you do that, you start seeing for the hidden files on your phone. Or simply do this, you click right here on this essential, click and you see all. So you just make it to all and you're going to see all the hidden files, right? If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more info tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. That's my next video. Bye.